Alright, so now that you guys learned what locomotor and non-locomotor skills are, I want you to be able to identify certain activities that include these skills. So right here I put activities meaning a sport, a game, even a hobby that you enjoy, and I want you to list 2 for each. So don't think you're going to get credit by just putting down one word or even just turning this in blank. I hope all of you read my announcement here. A lot of you guys are just turning in your Google Doc blank thinking that you're going to get credit. A lot of you aren't listening to my instructions, so you're not answering correctly or you're not answering the way I need you to. So for number 1, locomotor skills include running, walking, leaping, or sliding. Now there's more, but I just put those 4 up there. So you need to come down here and list 2 activities where those skills are used. All you have to do, you can simply just Google, locomotor skills, or you can Google what game, what sport, what sports include locomotor skills. Running and walking, you should be able to just think of something you do. If you're an athlete, this should come real naturally. This should be kind of common sense. A lot of you listed hobbies on Friday of things that you like to do. So what you're not going to do is just put walking or running. For example, I don't want anybody to use this example. You can say walking the dog. So if you're going to list activities that include running or walking, do not just put running or walking. You're going to get a 0. So you need to either say, I enjoy running blank or I enjoy walking blank, something like that. So down here, you're going to list 2 non-locomotor skills. So this is stretching, pulling, pushing, balance, bending. Again, there are more than just those. So list 2 activities where these skills are used as well. You can go ahead and Google, like right here, I have activities that use locomotor skills. You can type in activities that use non-locomotor skills. You can find a lot of answers. There are a lot of activities that include stretching and balance, and even bending. I don't want to give away an answer, but just for an example, and everybody can use this one. Yoga uses a lot of non-locomotor skills. In yoga, you stretch, you're balancing, you're bending your body, stuff like that. So you can use yoga as one of your answers for number 2. So just kind of elaborate on that, find other activities, or if you're an athlete, you know that you have to stretch, usually before you start, and a lot of times even after. So just use Google, ask your parents, use some of your common sense, and just give me 2 for each. I want 1 and 2. So 4 answers total, and that's how you'll get full credit. So again, just email me if you have questions, and remember to take attendance.